Welcome back to the channel, family. Listen, first things first, I want to thank everyone who keeps coming back to the channel, keeps watching the videos or whatever. To anyone new, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and subscribe. Just go ahead. But as we were talking about in the last video, it was part 2 of my birthday gifts. So I got a couple that came in today. Gonna be opening them. And let's see what I got. I asked y'all what was in the box. So we about to see. All right, so before it was only these two. This one just came in today. We're gonna open all 3 of them. All right, first things first, the little one. I think I opened this one already, so I know what it is. But open it again for you guys. Okay. Yes, I got a white, a little sauce. This is a radiator cover for it. What's in this one? What's in this one? Commercial. Nah, just playing. I ain't got those. Yep, this little front wing for the ninjas. It goes with the color scheme. Yes. On to the big one. Big dish. So the keys. Now this is the thing that I'm super excited for. Once we open this. Now we're back. What's in the box, man? What's in the box? How they do the pack. Instruction manual. My black people are read. God damn, how much stuff in here? Whoa. Whoa. All right, so by this time, I'm pretty sure you guys have figured out what it was. It is a helmet. Y'all want to see it, huh? Y'all want to see it's. Look at it. Look at all the other ones. Oh, now y'all want to see it, huh? Would it be fair to leave y'all off on this and just be like, whatever? Yeah. Nah, I'm excited though. I want to see it. I did think it was gonna come with another whatever visor or something. Now this is my first time seeing it with y'all. Hard to do things on here. sexy. This thing is so sexy. I love these helmets. The little wing back here. Look like Master Chief in the front, boy. I'm about to, about to, skirt, we out. Oop. Got to come down with the visor. Oh, yeah. Tinted shades already, so you don't really need a tinted visor. Thumbs up. DOT certified. ECE2. Put it on real quick. I like it. Fits well. Fits in my dress. I got a big ass head already. So I'm not kissing the helmet like I was on my other one. Ooh, the Master Chief edition, boy. What Cartana at? Tell me, boy. All right. It will take some getting used to because my other one was a modular one, so I'm not used to having like to put it back on all the way like this one. But love the styling. That shit's hard. Match the bike like perfect, bro. Like, mind you, I still haven't seen what I look like in this helmet yet until I watch this footage back. But I'm happy, satisfied with my purchase. All right, so I might do a comparison video of all the helmets in a later video down the line. But as of today, we are going to try to focus on putting on the winglet and the radiator on the 400. Let's see how hard that's going to be. Hopefully it will be simple. These should be simple tasks to do, but normally for me, something simple takes astronomical time. So let's get started on this. Hopefully it won't take too long. All right, flash forward, and we are now in the garage. I am talking extra loud for some reason. I don't know why. Listen, okay. We're now in the garage though. We have the bike, we have the parts. Let's get down to work. Come on, let's get it. All right, so we got the thing up in there. There's 4 screws. There's one right here. Shit, 1, 2, 3, and 4. They gave us this, basically some clamps, so should be simple. Let's see how it goes. All right, so after about 20 minutes, I finally got it in. Again, those are 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks pretty clean. It's all flush on one side, but this side is still a little bit off. It's not all the way inside to the radiator, but I guess that's what you get when you got an Amazon special. But it does fit. I like the way it looks. Ooh. Yes, money's coming together. Now we're gonna let's try to put this on. Okay. And after about another 30 minutes, I finally got the wing on the front look. Ooh, this jammy look hard. And then we come with the, oh, oof, oof, oof. Little radiator in there like, oof. Ninja 400, baby, this the gang. Let's get it. All right. Now getting into the real topic. Okay, so this thing does not come with instructions. So for anybody watching this video who is having a hard time trying to put it on, this is what you have to do, okay? You gotta take the original hardware out these 2 bolts, take them out, put this in, put these 2 bolts in, boom. Then the hardware that came in the little package, this little thing, goes for the sides. Goes for the sides, not the fronts. I did the front, and I ain't gonna lie, that's why it took me 30 minutes. Put it on the sides. You have to stick your hand inside and put the little clip where the where this thing, whatever these things are called, what is it? Yeah, having a brain fart right now. Don't know what it's called. Okay, so whatever this thing is, take this one out. There's one right here. There's one right here. You don't need to take the entire panel off. Don't do that, you'll waste your time. So just do that, put the clips on the back, and then input the screws. Take these screws off, take these screws off, put this thing up here, and then put these screws back in their original hole. It should be fine. Look at that thing. What? They ain't going nowhere. Let's get it. Oh, one last thing. So the radiator guard, it comes with these little things, have no clue where they go, and it comes with this. Again, don't know what it does, where it goes. I'm not even gonna worry about putting it on. It's doing the job the way it is right now. So. All right, so y'all see how it ended up. Thank you for watching. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm gonna end it with 2. Thank y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, ring that bell, get a notification every time I drop a video. I'm gonna try to be on this like way more often. I know I'll be slipping and shit. Like, I want to post more often. I swear I do. So go ahead and just like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. And we out. We're gonna be back with another one. Just wait on it, because still have one more birthday gift to end this segment, and then I don't know.